Hey, good afternoon. This is Dr. Acharya Subukris from Pune. Basically, today I'm going to discuss this about 2026 on the numerological aspects between the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But let me tell you about 2026 as a year. This, if we calculated it as 2026, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 6. So that comes to 1. And it is going to be the year for Surya. Surya is basically numerologically the number 1, the ruler planet, which has got the leader qualities, as well as it has got its own benefits, which is why 2026 is considered to be the number 1 planet. And people born with 1, 19, all these people will have a superior 2026 as compared to the other years, whatever they have gone through. And this year, basically 2026 is, as per numerological, is very good for number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, and number 9. If I get into all kinds of details for all the numbers, everybody has got their own benefits, which I'd like to give you in a nutshell, a brief description about each numbers. So, 2026, let me start with number 1. People born on 1, 19, and all these numbers, number 1, at least offer the learning water to Lord Surya and mention the mantra Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha. With the amount of flow of water when you flow to the Lord, you should observe that the water doesn't fall onto your feet. You have to be very careful when you are offering water to any Lord or any deity. It shouldn't come, the water shouldn't fall onto your feet. So, number 1, basically the Lord you try to pray to Lord Surya, it will give you a lot of vibes, lot of energy, and a lot of abundance and a lot of prosperous with number 1. The same goes with number 2. Number 2 is for Chandrama. The more you try to give Chandrama its benefits, you should use a lot of silver metals, and that too in the late evening. Try to set the cross in front of the moon for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Ask for a wish, and specifically during the full moon days, if the number 2 people try to sit across the moon, that would give them a lot of benefits and their Chandrama would increase with a lot of abundance and a lot of wealth. That is basically for numerology number 2. People born with number 3. Number 3 is basically Jupiter, which is Guru. And wherever you have learned a lot of your spiritual aspects, or wherever you have done your spiritual connection with a lot of your gurus, try to respect them, try to have regards with them, learn as many things as possible with Guru, and then accordingly you can chant the mantra and give the benefits for Guru. And you can offer their prayers and the regards to Guru so that your Guru automatically increases. The same goes for number 4. Number 4 is basically Rahu. To make your Rahu strong, people, the best remedy to make your number 4 strong is buy a bottle of liquor. Before entering to the house, just sprinkle liquor outside the house and automatically your Rahu will increase. Basically, number 4 is related with a lot of politicians and they are basically Rahu. Rahu is not a bad planet. The more you try to make Rahu strong, that would give you a lot of benefits and that could give you a lot of increase into your abundance and prosperity. Now I talk about the number 5. Number 5 is Mercury. To increase your Mercury, you have to chant the Mercury mantra. And people with number 5 are very good communicators, very good orators, and men with 5, they are flabbulants. And moreover, the number 5 people are extensively onto a traveling mode. And once they get into a mode, they don't give it up. That is how the number 5 quality is. So 2026 basically is going to be a very good year for number 5. Just like number 1, number 3, number 5. Number 5 is also falling into the prosperous aspect of 2026. Now I come to number 6. Number 6 is basically the Venus planet. The more you try to increase your Shukra, Goddess Lakshmi, the more you try to pray to Goddess Lakshmi, automatically your Shukra will increase. People with weak Venus should try to offer their blessings, offer their wishes to Lord Lakshmi, Lord Mahalakshmi, or any Devi, so that your Shukra increases automatically. Even if you are having relationship issues, or you are having any entangles or obstacles and hurdles, or if you are having any financial burdens, try to increase your Shukra so that it will give you more of abundance, more of wealth, and more of prosperity. Now I come to the numerological number, that is number 7. Number 7 was basically Ketu. Try to feed dogs so that you can increase your Ketu. Ketu is not a bad planet. Ketu, where people have problems with Ketu, try to chant the mantras of Ketu in the late evenings after sunset. That would increase your aura, that would increase your beneficial aspects, as well as the more you try to feed dogs, it will give you a lot of benefits onto your Ketu. Number 8, that is Shani, the Saturn planet. People working into the government officials, people into the police departments, or all the other government officials are considered to be as number 8. It is actually Shani. On Saturdays, try to wear black clothes, offer black sesame seeds to Lord Shani. The more you try to offer on Saturdays to the labor class people or to the poor, that would automatically increase your Shani. That is how the number ruler, number 8, Saturn is. Now I come to the last number, that is the numerological number 9, which belongs to the Mars, Mangal. Basically, it is a fire planet. The more you give, the more you offer the benefits to Lord Hanuman. That would increase your Mangal effect, that would increase your fire effect, and it would give you the more power where it is required for number 9. This also 2026 is going to be a year on number 9 also. So out of these numbers between number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9, 2026, the ruler for Surya is going to be beneficial for these numbers. It is not that it is not going to be beneficial for number 2 or number 4 or number 8, but the bright chances for these numbers are better for 2026. And basically, if you see to the Chinese numerological aspect, this is the year for horse. Horse, if you try to keep it onto a south direction, facing towards the north, it would give you a lot of fame, brand, name, and a lot of benefits onto the front. Keeping a 7 running horse facing towards the north onto a south wall would increase your prosperity, increase your wealth, and it would give you nail fame on a larger scale. So these are the little bit benefits what I've talked about numerology between the numbers 1 to 9. And furthermore details if you'd like to have on your numerological aspects, onto your date of birth or onto your year, then you are welcome to get in touch with me directly so that we can have a one-to-one consultation, and accordingly we can proceed from there. That is how this is. So I hope you must have liked my topic for today on numerological. And if you'd like to share your views, you're welcome to click onto the like comments, and you can give your comments on Padmavati International and Spiritual. And if you'd like to have a one-to-one consultation, you can get in touch with me directly. I'm Dr. Acharya Subbu Krish. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. So looking forward for the next topic. Appreciate your time.